Hi, I'm Crystal, and today I've got some great mail, and I just wanted to share. So I've got some mail here from Diana Loves Color, really pretty sticker, and it's on front and back. So let's take a look. Oh my goodness, look at how lovely that is. I love that. I think she used her Cricut to cut that out, maybe, with glitter paper. It's a layered die cut. Very lovely card. And she says, I made her day with my thoughtful, happy mail. So that is so sweet. Thank you so much, Diana. That's Diana Loves Colors. And she has sent along a little package with, oh my goodness. Oh, an ATC? Fabulous. Look at those 3D stickers and acrylic stickers and gems. That is beautiful. And, oh, it was her Cricut. So she sent me an extra one. Thank you. As well as a die. Oh my goodness. Oh, Diana, that is so generous of you. Thank you so much. I'm going to get a ton of use out of that. I really appreciate it. Thank you. Fabulous. Okay. Next package is from Penny's Crafty Creations. Lovely elephant sticker. And thanks to the postal workers. Absolutely. I love mail. And I particularly appreciate their service this time of year. It is 1,000 degrees here, so a beautiful card with a bird. Oh, she's got a site, I guess, where you can shop. Penny's Crafty Creations .square.site. I'm going to have to check that out. I did not realize. And inside, thank you for taking part in her 3-year anniversary challenge. Well, that was certainly my pleasure. That was a fun project. And we have a lovely ATC card on an actual playing card. Isn't that lovely? I love the text and the inking and the ephemera that's attached. That's beautiful. And she included some ephemera for me to use, which is awfully generous. That is so fun. It's like a perforated postcard sticker. And a pay card and some fun colored index cards. Oh, those will be fun to alter. Well, thank you so much, Penny. Fabulous. Next, I've got an envelope from Patsy Hamm, who is a loyal viewer. I appreciate her so much. Patsy was a winner in my junk journal kit giveaway. And she has sent, oh gosh, it's so stuffed I can barely get it. Oh, look at this. Wow. Oh, I love it. That is a beautiful card. That is just lovely. Celebrating the 4th of July. It's 'tis the season, that's for sure. With a lovely thank you for the materials to try her hand at junk journaling. Well, I hope that you will give those materials a try, Patsy. Obviously, you've got the skill for the paper crafts, and so I think you'll enjoy junk journaling. And she has included some fun extras here. Gosh, an embossed panel. Oh, that's great. This one has got some ridges in it, almost like I think that would make a good roof on a tiny house. It looks like roof shingles or like lumber siding. Some lovely die cut. Oh, look at that glitter paper. That is fabulous. And a little scallop circle. And an ephemera sentiment card. And a die cut piece. A hex. And some more glitter. Oh, I guess those go together. Oh, sure enough, you can layer those right up. Perfect. Well, I am going to have fun using those elements, Patsy, and I really appreciate the package. Thank you. And the card is just perfect. Okay, and the next and final letter is from Martha at Martha Makes Art. That looks like a handmade envelope. That is lovely. I love the inked detail. Very pretty. Inside we have got a coordinating card with the same lovely ink detail. I love that gold ink, Martha. That is just beautiful. Look at that. Lovely. Inside the card she says, "Thank you for entering my giveaway. Helped make my birthday wonderful." Well, excellent. That was certainly my pleasure, and she has included some fun stickers. Look at these. I love the little bee and the butterfly and the flowers. Okay, well, I'm going to have fun using those. And I am definitely inspired by your gold inking details too, Martha. Well, thank you so much. Well, guys, thanks for joining me today. I hope you have a great day.